Hello and welcome to another video about the IDT Lab Software as a Service Cloud brought to you by IDT Labs. And in this video I'll be talking about creating cash registers, or how you can actually log cash registers in the accounting cloud. Okay, so to actually create a cash register, you head onto the accounting cloud, and then from the bank and cash tab you select cash registers. As you can see, this is a list of the cash register that is currently in the system. Okay, so to create a new one, you click the create button. Okay, and then you can specify the journal where you want this cash register to actually take effect, and then you can specify a period, or you can actually specify a person responsible and a date also if you want. Okay, you can also specify an opening balance for this particular cash register. Okay, so in this case we're going to leave it as, okay, let's say the opening balance is $500. Okay, so we click save. Okay, and then we open the cash box. Okay, so we click edit, and then we start adding cash transactions into the cash register. Okay, so this is the date and a communication, the reference, and then the partner. Okay, so the first transaction we're going to add is, let's say paid for ink or printer ink. Okay, and then we select a partner, let's say AP Vision Pro, and then the amount is $200. Okay, and then we add another transaction, let's say received payment for website. Okay, here we're actually going to say minus 200 because we're actually making payment. Okay, and here the partner is, let's say, Deposit Tradings, and okay, so $400. Okay, we add another item, let's say paid for generator maintenance, and then we can give a reference of a 1-2. Okay, and then we can also specify a partner, and the partner here is let's say take Google. Okay, and the amount is minus 100, and then again we can add another cash transaction. Okay, so here let's say payment for SaaS accounting cloud. Okay, and then the partner here is Beltec Holdings, and then the payment is actually $80. Okay, so this is it. Okay, so now we can actually specify a real closing balance, and then the opening balance again. Okay, so we can click save. Okay, and then we can actually reconcile this particular cash register. Okay, so as you can see, automatically the year closing balance was calculated, and this is the opening balance. Okay, and we can click reconcile to actually reconcile all these transactions that we are done within this particular cash register. Okay, so we start with this first. Okay, so for this one we said payment for SaaS cloud. Okay, so we're gonna actually log this under the account receivable. Okay, and then click OK. This is the amount. Okay, so we can also specify a label, or say do further description of this particular transaction. Okay, so we click OK, and then again this take Google, we can again select it here and put it under the account payable. Select this, and we can also edit the label if we want, or we can change the amount if there's a need for that. Okay, we click OK, and you can select that one, and then again for this one we can log it under the account receivable if this is the account we actually want to log it. Okay, so in this case we actually put in all this transaction that we receive on the account receivable. Okay, and then we click okay, and then again this one paid for printer, we can log this one under the account payable, or if we actually have an account we actually created for this particular transaction, we can put it under that account. So we click OK, and then automatically you see everything was reconciled, and we can come back to the statement, and then we close the cash book, and the cash book status has been changed from new to close. So this is it so far for creating a cash register within the accounting cloud, and hope you learned something new, and I'll come again with something different. Okay, and thanks for watching. Bye.